Beneath the sky so wide and blue, the gentle breeze whispers the truth. Mountains rise, rivers flow, life awakens where nature grows. Golden sunlight paints the land, rolling meadows, beaches of sand. Every leaf a story untold. In nature's arms we find our soul. Oh, the beauty of this place, a gentle touch, a warm embrace. Fields of green, skies of grace, a perfect world we must not waste. The forest hums a peaceful song, where every creature has a home. Stars above guide the night, a tapestry of endless light. Rain that falls, a life renewed, feeding earth, the seeds take root. From mountain peaks to ocean shore, nature gives, yet asks no more. Oh, the beauty of this place, a gentle touch, a warm embrace. Fields of green, skies of grace, a perfect world we must not waste. Take a moment, breathe it in, feel the life where it begins. Guard this treasure, hold it near, for future hands, keep it clear. Take a moment, breathe it in, feel the life where it begins.